some, wouldn't you know involve it? Merchant Bank, wouldn't you and a couple of Bessiana went chia? And a ma bank and no craft the yes, I tongue, wouldn't you and a sato you? Say, you're not refuse one. Wouldn't you Ibrahim Mahama no would do what you are or never ban? Merchant Bank, go be any myself will say, where they say, a year, assembly a year chat also. A year, some dagana will be any. I want a honorable Ken Crabra. Ye ba ya yam prosecute Ibrahim ya prosecute ne da wo kon so mo nyina mo ya we ba na na do nyansem no who say Ibrahim Mahama we a business person, we a businessman, business and your friends a private sector no and you develop your mind. It's na do an touch unua no one fan nsanka no na the government had every right to prosecute unua no. There no was a bandi any bia na ka ban beti there no ba ne nyansam mu no ohun say unua no ayo bia wo ye business person enti wan touch no John Mahama wo de me se agenda wo de ba ye de eso ankasa wo ba ye unua a friend say mining ya wo betata chama won to be wo ho chama won to me 2013 no ye nyina ne wo Ghana ye te radio so ye te ye I know complaining about the mining and more season and yamanyina. What dear dino? And want to grant and any prayer or no, or Baba Yaman, your son the Cassiano, Diatatana Motata. And I didn't so have mining a warrior when Yagalao. Chama would to win on Yagalana warrior no Abacasebia, or Cosi, as I say, I am farmer, no, so or you'll be on no register warrior. And I know NPP time you can't Baba Yana mining. Why Yana mining now from a brand at a mills crowd. And Tianya Nana Chama would to me by my no because NPP want to take advantage. No. So Wunia ya mining. And you will not go for bauxite my Wunia. No Wunia ya mining. I didn't know so ya mining. I know they won't see us. I would do when you sin to say, Chinchina, ube collapsing in business now be guno, ube guna buying. I ube guni yuma. Auntie would they tata on, or pity said the Wunia for bauxite no. Nanadoma, and I been a friend is a national security in a corner, but echo on so channel. What I say, wouldn't be a yakra to the extent saying the NPP government was giving old brother no contracts. Ah, we are where John Mahama, Ufisa won't ask what you jarred and one on one. John Mahama, you think so won't ask what you jarred, and one no, you can use it. Your friend is saying. Power na when you bet me intimidating Crawford. Media may cannot cry at John Mahama.
Almost uncle said JJ, so bet me and
I make I say John Mahama. Yeah, can't show when you know what you see a Santa Forsona. Yeah, now when you are prayer, so you are doing everything possible so back crappiano. So John Mahama one show ya one summer at the cocoa, you bet a dear I'm a woman at your time. Now you have gotten some of the support from our people until who said they are sitting up. Besides Rollins couldn't survive. Yes, sorry, and so your tin is what you are fed here. When one will say I fed there, we are fed up and we were fed up. No, Rollins went to me and you know you. Says the one you want to say what you Santa Fona back crappoye. My main cousin church Chama would to me. Onya Sikana or Yan mine and Onya Sikana. He's the only person I want to and can plot to Krawan Kwanko Toby. When 2 and 3 reading and one could just one cobe be a what say Santa Minimo and then be a numa and one casa one year develop your Santa Man. Now you have come and need time be a why you want to say, what do when you best in so? Now one what they poor Santa Man what collapse in order for you to achieve your aim there. We yet and I say, who is your baby can you trust your baby? This time we are not going to stop.
It will not happen.
Yeah, but Jina, you're now so now you're facing one because I'm say you're facing because me what the couldn't tell so that Chama wound to me. The mine in a wound you what's me for China for even foreigners. Foreigners so China for so many remember your mining no a dear bonena Chama wound to me. Oma mo says your Chama would make a home. On count. Wouldn't you know for the Chama? I want a China for a couple no Comunia Ghana for a day. You are happy so much your moment mining. Na Chama would be the other tatan. One Chama would be one menya DC, menya MP, menya mini political appointment there. All that I had was me chairman of the MPP in Ashanti region. That is that. He never on a baimu juma yenibia. So why this? I didn't what one was saying. 2013 sa na wodi di na wotata no a ene waba wo sa de wani ase no so eya ho ya wo nua no ene ne ko competition say the site wo pa na ase na chenchena pesa wo je ma no ma me cousin cho Joseph ya me kra na o ye settle no wono aba benya asase ye gala per your friends Erastus asema okan so you are not concerned about one NDC for na ye gala no chama would me no ankasa register no ye the mining from kwatenten no or na do wani ese no so chenchena aba bechena hey Ibrahim Mahama ye catch we are fed up with you. They are get fed up with you. Why mama disa yes na aba betata ye. Wa oba ya appointment awo ya. Wa ko facet lesson kwa so mra be so. Your friend is saying and I no cry there. You nsuo to ye nkonko hwe wo ma. Wo mu di nadmo so wo ye region mu so a. Ye won krofo nko edi na hu ye no kra no. Che say wonti ase wa hwe obeka so wo ye tribalistic. But that is not the case. Asema ye fact I was say ye kan ye. Enko sesa na wo didi ye no. I don't get it. Why is it so? Why are you doing this to us? And this is the one account. Just a winning Sakra or be your business person. Get out and say, oh, me on my chronic powerful Majumana. I'm a one employment cases. As what it. Omo mo ye chairman adwuma chairman won to be adwuma no unemployment wan kasa wa benefit wo hono ma enken krofo e be sori e be dwa waso ye nya adwuma ye nya adwa adenti na apesa wo krepo no adenti na wan ye ho search na atata na mo call him. Have you ever called him wama police and I say wama your friend na wama dana you can come out and tell us say you mama your friend mo samon and he didn't come for that reason no ye BNI na NIB na ba so say ba becho you haven't done all these things must son 20 as can ye na me dey say me ma catch him for already told Ghanaians say what wo share NDC better obia all the time make sure say wo pepper spray no so pepper spray na dey mu wa o gina father we kuro wo spray beka no onu time no no ne be ba so say be obetu no to no na wo ma afia no mun penso share sisi wo ba cancer asem enso share mun petases and sisi wo onu be na age so onim say wo dey we civilian you don't know all this the time wo na ni be ba wo ho say wo mo no cry ba be pra na wo dey prepare wo ko mu gina kira wo mu bom what taste wo ma wo man be bom no mo dey da fam nkurase for Ghana for we cry e say kro mu nim taste cry the cry what my sprayer? Well, yanaka mumu spray yanaka egu was so kasabro majai. What kind of nonsense is that? Ah, Mr. Man, free social media, ha. Nyanko point him no credit my yare. Because day in day out, what can cost ya some quan? Wait, I friend uti da ye. Mr. You are fortunate. Dr. Baumia Trump aboa. So what I say? And a one casa crown buy and woman my contract, their contracts are what you chamo. It is and a dollar no so tema. So you think say and go for $1 never from to you.
Payments.
Hey, mammy can't some show. And the last time me mommy, me money 3,000. So now I was sending just $200. Now man 2 weeks. Me money $200 now. It's in 3,000 now fat. And I may send for the union at the Biam Sandia. I just a me add up. Now, there you also say, dollar not perform a brew 1 month in you. There is nobody Ghana one of my yatos. Don't say the dollar need reducing. At dear goods and services back, credit one of my yateso. At dear Bob was assessment, he cried to me 21 the day out. It's at the end of the day, dollar no cry back from no. Ye, who for so be a was what. Won't mean your measures be a member, even a judge phone park won't say, and near my be almost so there is nothing in the country. So she should have gas price to say $60 per barrel. And who hears the cabin baby can I have $1 so better. It's a a fool labor from Nanka dollar no so as who think what's the impact no citizen no yenya and so yenya. Say we are sending more. We want yes send them on so far. It's been touchy. So at the end of the day, you are doing nothing. It is a near bringing the hash plate or mining. Why are you disturbing us with the national security? This is what we did. It's not why you're holding a military for soldier buying for now. Said the Quasasema multi Cote d'Ivoire holding, but your friends are trying to saying. Uncle phone to me, Casa watching on, no, I also don't or be a warrior to obey you. You know what two fast a year, two be one also know all your propaganda, then crop phone po ain't to make us. I've told you, and names how phone in I said to arrest your warrior, none and crop for any open up. they should go for election. Open up. Election said they all they will vote for him. Obia no one more names said the Tuare no ya obeka so to betia no enya propaganda no what no settings about said the Ibrahim Mahama what Ghana na they should go forward for election again na yen kokko to aba na yen hwe say your friend say Tuare na mo so no obetimi awe ni wonu kuruma kura wontimi mpon kasa on na mo do ho about so you think you are doing something Ibrahim Mahama ya betente so kokko acho na hwa de wapini e ko sese bonya ndisi phone ma so so 2 visa no ano no. Would you do when in a bri so cripple your profile? That is what I don't get you. I mean, one to Obama, is it the reason why they voted for you? Is it the reason that they voted for you? And if woman for the sumu, woman power card electricity there. Even they old charge the crying electricity. Be and we say
power
it's electricity there. Every now and then human beings we need it. You can't even provide us electricity 24 hours doom and you're doom so what me doom can who pay no they won't concentrate so best of it and depending on one baby your monk they are the people who how motivated woman Ibrahim Mahama, what do you want from us?
Yeah,
well, you didn't even deserve to come and rule us again though. As some napa, na me sometimes you be saying and see your money to the past. Why Nanado came to face COVID? Brahma make a master no chama na me pesa. Eh then Nanado ebe share COVID. And some of me be say God no. Why Nanado? Because Nanado was doing all right. Ghanaians will be any Japan. Na COVID and free for the we are saying echo for inflation and somebody. So if you think that Ghanaians loved you, that is why they voted for you. Let me tell you, inflation we are saying by opa and my elections na obia incumbent we Lucy no be so Lucy massively. It's in your Ibrahim Mahama papa be away and now be a winning putina wunya as friends endorsement to go. And the endorsement that you had, it was your own NDC members give you. No single member in the MPP gave that endorsement to you because looking at the numbers, when you be free baby, I'm a your own NDC members that voted for you. It's in first show with tell me that they say if you are Ghana for Pewasem Bina, who no Mufisa who hear the best man they voted for you. They didn't. It's my own MPP people that didn't vote. And I'm It's your Ibrahim Mahama who they want to